In this tutorial, I'll show you how to link an icon in Figma so users can click it in your prototype. To get started, open your Figma project and add the icon you want to use. You can import an SVG icon or insert one using an icon plugin. Next, select the icon and switch to the Prototype tab in the right-hand panel. You'll see a small interaction node appear next to the icon. Drag the node to create an interaction and choose the appropriate action. If you want to open a website, select Open Link and enter the URL. If you want the icon to navigate to another screen in your prototype, connect it to the target frame. Once you've added the link, review the interaction settings and make any adjustments if needed. Finally, click the Present button to preview your prototype and test the icon to make sure the link works correctly. And that's it! You've successfully linked an icon in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.